Hey guys, welcome back to the API Wrapper series. This episode, we're following up on the last one where we built the CRUD for users, where we can list them, we can create, read, update, and delete, and we now need to go and actually write some tests and make sure that our library is working as we expect it to. So we're going to be writing tests for our Faraday API requests, and if we pull up the users resource, we make get requests and post requests and patch and delete. And we just want to go through and write some tests that confirm that these are going to be working like we want. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a test resources users test.rb, and we can go in there and set up the users resource test and start filling out this stuff. So we're gonna test list, the list action, and we could say users list here if we wanted. We're already in the users resource test, so I think test list, test create, and so on will be good enough. So what we're gonna need for this is basically, we're gonna need a client, just like we do in our regular code to actually interact with this. And we're gonna have a API key here that's fake. So this is gonna be fake or test or just some invalid API key, because we don't want our client to actually hit the real Vultr API. So there is a stub or a test adapter for Vultr, or for Faraday rather, that allows you to write stubs that will actually intercept the requests and return you a fake response. So it never actually tries to make a request. And this stuff is kind of already working because our Faraday adapter